got some avalanche concerns out there.
And for good reason. All of this snow, in fact, over 7 feet of snow up in the Cottonwood Canyons in a matter of 6 days. And whenever you have that much snow on top of the old snow, it slides around a whole lot. Speaking of sliding around, the kids were out and about enjoying the new snow on the bench area of Salt Lake County. In some cases, we had as much as 8 inches of new snow in the East Milk. That's where we found these kids, old and young, enjoying the snow. Let me show you some of these totals that I was talking about. Brighton, in the last 6 days, 86 inches of snow. That's 7 feet 2 inches. There was also about 7 inches of water in that snow. And from south to north, every inch of water is worth about $20 million in water resources. So this storm was valued, look at all of that snow, between $100 and $125 million in water resources here in the state of Utah. Look at the totals. Park City, 58 inches. Deer Valley, 49 inches. Now, the snowpack has moved up, but as you can see, we are still way behind where we should be this time of the year. Only 61% in the Bear River and the Weber River, 68%. Look at the south, though. The Virgin River is at 181% of normal. How can you have such a disparity? That's what happens in an El Nino year. Southern Utah and northern Arizona getting pounded, while the state average is at 90%. That is 23% higher than it was just six days ago at the beginning of last week. Which spots have seen the most rise? Well, the Virgin River in just 1 week, 63% higher. Southeastern Utah, 53% higher, and in the Weber River, 13%. This is what it looked like at Solitude. That's all of the new snow on the ground. Thanks, Joe Johnson, for sending the photograph, and Gary Walker in Zion National Park showing us just how the snow looks on the beautiful red rock of southern Utah. And tonight, I just had to show you this. Keith Finlayson showing us the moonrise over Salt Lake City. 2 inches of new snow in Bountiful, 5 inches of new snow at Deer Valley, 20 for the high there. And we had Moab, a high of 46 today. You're out of the freezing cold weather you've been having for so long in Moab, finally up into the 40s. A couple of inches of snow in Pleasant Grove. Salt Lake City, a high of 39, and it was actually warmer in Moab than it was in St. George today. Cold temperatures in the basin, clouds on the increase, even a little light snow around Elko. This weak storm system is dribbling across the northwest. I doubt we're going to see much precipitation in the valleys, but maybe a few snow showers over the mountains over the next 24 hours as this first in a series of 3 waves will move across northern Utah. In fact, it looks like the third wave, the one that moves in on Tuesday night and Wednesday, will split, but will likely bring a pretty good chance for snow statewide. So here's that first wave. It moves in. There's the split. Northern Utah will see some light snow on Tuesday, maybe a little rain mixed in. Then on Wednesday, this slides across the entire state, and everybody will have a chance for snow, but the lion's share will be across the south. Below zero in the basin tonight with patches of fog, 32 in Moab, St. George. Look for a high temperature close to 50. It'll be 33 in Richfield with 30 in Manti. Nighttime lows in the single digits. And there's the increase in clouds on Tuesday with a chance for rain once again. Mountain snow on Wednesday. And we end up the week in the upper 40s and low 50s. Along the Wasatch Front, the precipitation will primarily be light snow in the mountains, but that's the last thing we need on top of the avalanche-prone snowpack. Look for temperatures to be in the upper 30s the next couple of days. A chance for a little rain snow Tuesday. I'd say an inch or 2, maybe 3 on Wednesday. Pretty good, little moderate-sized storm, and a better chance again Saturday, Sunday of next weekend.
A lot of people have been asking for it. Here it is.
And no more valley inversions. No more smog.
Oh, yes.
All week.
That's right. Put it out there, Daniel.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.